Millions turn to it to keep themselves and their loved ones safe, but now the FDA could soon require antibacterial soap makers to prove that their products are safe and effective. Ebru's Tasmin Mahfuz joins us live now with more of the soapy details. Tasmin.
That's right. Well, we're talking about more than 2,000 products of antibacterial soaps and hand washes. Not hand sanitizers with alcohol in them, but actually the concern is over a very harmful chemical that's found in 75% of the products at the market.
It's a typical mid-afternoon at the Central Jersey College Prep Charter School. With more than 300 students, there are a lot of ways to pick up and spread germs here.
The students are constantly in touch with their books, the desks, pens, and in science class we're doing labs. So they are always in touch with a lot of different things.
The point of all of this is, like many teachers, Ms. Doshi relies on antibacterial soap to keep the classroom a germ-free zone after lab projects. But the FDA says studies have found chemicals, such as triclosan in liquid soaps, may lead to drug-resistant bacteria and have hormonal effects that hinder childhood development and puberty.
And if they're not fulfilling the purpose of stopping these bacterial infections, maybe they should not be used in these products.
Which is exactly what the FDA believes too. The regulators are now asking the makers of antibacterial soap and body washes to prove that their product is safer and more effective than soap and water. If not, the companies will have to relabel or remove the product by June 2014. But the American Cleaning Institute released a statement saying their products are safe.
I go horseback riding every Saturday, so I usually use it after because germs.
In the meantime, for school nurses like Ms. Bukong, the FDA's concern over side effects is worrisome.
Some of us have been using it for such a long time, so we need to know where we are. And we need to know if there are any tests which I could conduct to find out if some people are already experiencing the effects.
The FDA says if the new rules go into effect, then companies have until September 2016 to prove it.
And the topic of antibacterials has been a long-term debate now, why Americans have been purchasing products without the solid research. So the FDA's initiative is definitely a step forward. But currently there's no proof that these over-the-counter antibacterials are actually any more effective than your plain water and soap. Logan, back to you.
All right, Ebru's Tasmin Mahfuz reporting live tonight from the Garden State. Thanks so much for that report.